I finally got my Apple Vision Pro. I'm just randomly deciding to make a video today. I haven't done my hair, although I'm going to be wearing a headband for the rest of the day and night and tomorrow. So I've never done an unboxing video before, but my brother-in-law asked me to make one, and so I acquiesce. For anybody who's used to watching unboxing videos, I'm so sorry. The quality, the lighting, the angles, I'm sure are not up to par or how other people do them. But this is my first go, and I'm excited about it. I'd like to share that with you if I can. This is a bit of a strange purchase for me because it's viciously expensive, 5,000 Canadian dollars, plus tax, plus storage upgrade, plus the inserts, the Vision inserts, ended up being $6,000 Canadian. I don't know yet where this fits into my life. Is it an entertainment device for watching movies and shows and playing games and this kind of thing? Is it a work device so I can have my work screens up, in front of me and on the ceiling and right and left and in the other room? I don't know yet where this fits into my Apple ecosystem. I want to see this product in its infancy. I want to see it grow up to, into whatever version 2, 3, 4, 5 will be. I want to see where this goes. I think it's also a little bit strange for me because I don't know that I would want my kids to see me wearing this. I have a 2-month-old and I have a 2.5-year-old toddler, and he's already, like, if I'm on my phone, he's already feeling a disconnect with me, and he'll say, Daddy, phone away, please. He wants me to put my phone away. Already now, and so I do that, and I avoid having my devices out while I'm with him, and so this would just be something I would wear when he's not around, probably. I think that he would want to see what I'm seeing, or he would want to play with it, and I wouldn't want him to wear this because, for a long list of reasons, until he's 20, maybe 25. So it's kind of, this device has some kind of social, ethical kind of implications, parental implications. But I'm just super excited to see the Apple tech and see what they've created here. So without further ado, let's start the unboxing. I love the texture of the Apple boxes. They have the beautiful sort of pull tab kind of thing here, and just give that a tug. And I have to remember, as I'm doing this, I need to remember that I need to enjoy this for myself and not just make this a show for people who are watching. I need to be present with the experience of opening this beautiful toy, gadget, device, tool. I don't even know. Well, that one didn't really work very well. Hang on, I'll pull the other side here. Okay, there we go. Here, we'll just go like that. Turn it around here. See if it just lifts up. Yep, indeed, it just lifts up. Ooh. I can already tell those are some really nice textures, and that's just a really nice fabric there on this headset. How does it come up? It just picks up. Nice. So there's no attachments, there's no zap straps or whatever. And this looks like it comes off easily. This is sort of the same as the USB cables here. When you buy them and they're attached, this comes off really easily. I think this whole part here just comes out like that. I got the optical inserts for this because I wear glasses, but they don't arrive until Monday, so I don't actually have them yet. Before I can use this, I'm going to need to put contact lenses on, so I'll do that. I won't be able to see properly in here until I have my contact lenses on. But right away, this feels heavy. Like it feels like not heavy, but like solid. Like this reminds me of the movie Jurassic Park, where the kid is looking at the night vision goggles, and I think he asks if he can break them or something. I don't remember exactly, but then the guy says, "Are they heavy?" And he says, "Yeah." So then they're expensive. This feels heavy and expensive. It all feels almost like sporty in a way. Like this feels like you could sweat into it and it would be fine. Put that off to the side here. Lift this up. Nice. Toss that over here. So it's got probably the information package that I will not open or read. Don't need that. Same with this. Maybe I'll need to read those at some point, but I'm not sure. And so we've got the light seal cushion. All right. So this here, we can open that up, and this can open the. Oh, it says pull. Pull this. All right. And this guy here, we want to pull that. And then probably this would be another sort of a pull tab thing. Yeah, that's another pull tab. That's nice. So there's no ripping or anything like that at all in this. So it says, use the light seal cushion if prompted by the system or if you need more room for a better fit. So I think that this the idea is it goes in here somehow. I'm not really sure how yet. Oh, there is actually, okay, so this comes with, it feels magnetic. Yeah, that's magnetic. So this comes with a light seal thing here. It says W, and this one is W plus. So this must be size related to my gigantic head. So I'll leave this one on here, and this guy here will keep it handy. Dual loop band. I'll toss this as well. So the dual loop band. Let's see what's the deal with this. Oh yeah, this is the thing that goes over the head, and let's see. This all just comes apart very nicely and logically and intuitively. So yeah, it looks like this is the sort of band that goes over the head and the back of the head as well. This is Velcro. It's very fine Velcro. It's like, yeah, it doesn't have Velcro doesn't have the big hooks, but it's quite grippy. It's quite sticky, so it's interesting. This is like super precise, fine Velcro. So I'll play with that in a minute, but that's going to be, I'll need to get the exact right fit for this guy on my head here. Don't need that anymore. And this is the light seal thing. Okay, cool. I've heard from watching other videos that this comes off, the band comes off really easily because it's magnetic. I think I just pulled the little orange tab. Oh no, it snaps on actually. Okay, so it's actually the orange pull thing here is a little, it does a little release in here. And then this guy here, same thing, does the little release. Nice, that comes off really easily. And then this guy here, I guess it would go, hang on, how does this work? This way. And then it just snaps on, I bet. Yeah, that snaps on like that, and this just snaps on like that. So then it would be up to me to figure out the exact measurement of the straps there. Then we've got the battery pack. This is pretty heavy as well. Like this feels like, I'm not sure, but it's got heft to it. So I'll undo all the little attachments here. Oh my God, it's got the new Apple device smell as well. And then this guy here has and you can unattach it there. And then I think it just comes apart here like that. I love that there's like no ripping involved, I guess except right at the beginning. Put that down there. So that's the battery pack. We'll put this here. And I believe that just goes, that just goes magnetically right there. Is it magnet? No, it's actually, okay, interesting. It's kind of a twist on sort of a thing. Let's see. Oh, unlock. Okay, so it's actually got little tiny symbols. There we go. So that's, it's got tiny little dots there. You put it on at the open dot and then you turn it to the closed dot there. And now that's on. Sweet. And then we can take this out, undo these guys, toss that over here. And then nice, they give us, I love these Apple cables. They're so nice. The braided fabric ones are just beautiful. And this actually will plug in here on the battery pack. Does this come out? No, that doesn't come out. That's attached. And then this guy plugs in when I want to charge it. It plugs in right here. Nice. So yeah, that's just a standard USB-C charger. So I've heard 2.5 hours or 3 hours or something like that for the battery pack, unless I want to be tethered to the wall for power. Put that down here. So that's a pretty nice, pretty slick unboxing, and it just really feels it feels dense. It feels expensive. Oh, this is actually right. I just remembered, this is this is a screen type of thing, so you can actually take that right off. And then you've got the, you would think I would know that, but no, I'm discovering this for the first time. I've never seen this thing before in person. I can already see 1 million cameras, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, a million. There's got, and it's got a wheelie thing on top, a button thing on top here. A couple more cameras down there. This feels really soft, and it's just a nice feeling fabric. This one is more solid right here. So I think we're at the point now that I'm going to put my contact lenses in, and I'm going to put this on my head and see what happens. If you found this helpful and you want some private Mac coaching with me or someone from my team, just head to macinhome.com/booking. We work with people all over the world. We'll help you with whatever is on your Mac problems list, and you will never feel judged or shamed for whatever mess you are in. Ooh, those are some really nice textures.